Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you a couple of things that I think is essential for any RV or trailer owner to have. This is a Dewalt impact gun. This is the compact version, and this version they make two styles of it. This is the style that's called a Detent Pin. So this Detent Pin right here is what holds the socket in place. There's also one called the Hog Ring Anvil. I tried that and I didn't like it because it kind of takes specific sockets to keep them retained on this. What there is a little snap ring around the outer edge, and if you don't have the right sockets that engage into that snap ring, your sockets slip off all of the time. The way the detent pin works is most impact sockets are going to have that hole, and that's what the detent pin engages on. And that holds the socket securely in place. So through normal operation of pulling the socket on and off your lug nuts, the socket shouldn't come off. So this particular socket that I have doesn't have the groove inside to engage on the hog ring, so it got really annoying with my sockets slipping off all of the time. So that's why I returned that one and bought the detent pin style. I like the detent pin style a lot better. So the model on this one is a DCF894. It's a 20 volt lithium ion, uses the 20 volt max batteries, and they make this battery in 3 different sizes. This is the most compact battery, and it's got a little LED indicator back here. You just push that button. It has a work light on the front, so when you pull the trigger the light lights up, and it has a low and a high speed here. And to go along with that, you want a couple of impact sockets. So what I have down here is a kit that I've had for quite a few years. I ended up losing one of the sockets, so I replaced one here, but it doesn't match the rest. But you can, if you want, you can just buy whatever specific sockets you need at Home Depot or wherever. Most common sizes is going to be a 3/4 and a 13/16. A lot of the chrome lug nuts are going to be a 3/4. These standard lug nuts on this trailer are 13/16. But it really makes quick work of changing a tire. So as you saw, that took maybe a minute to a minute and a half to remove all 10 of those lug nuts. So earlier I mentioned that there's 2 versions of this. There's actually quite a few different styles, 1/2 inch, 3/8 inch. As far as the 1/2 inch, there's 2 sizes that I've seen commonly. This is the compact one, the normal size one. The diameter of the body is quite a bit bigger, and it's a little bit longer, so it's bulkier, heavier, and I like this because it's smaller, more compact, lighter weight, and can be packed easier into small storage spaces. So that kind of brings a conclusion to this quick and short video. And another thing to have along with this is a 1/2 inch torque wrench, because changing tires, you always want to torque your lug nuts to the proper spec. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and click the subscribe button and check out my other videos.